You got it? Noah is teaching us how he climbs on the couch. Go get it! Go get it! Yay! Come on. Get up there. Oh, there's your binky. There's your binky. Can you go get it? Go get it. Go get it. Go get it. I know, Mama. Come on, get up there. Go get it. Show Mama. Yeah.
I think you're sitting on a cushion right there and just throw him off. There he goes.
Go get it. Go get it. Say hi, Daddy. Daddy's getting you on camera. Bedtime counter. In a minute. Go, Noah, go. Get up there.
Mom.
Oh, come on, go get it. Good job. Go get it. Oh, I'm going to put your fishy up there. Oh, there's your fishy. There it is.
That's...
Good job.
Okay, let's see him climb down now.
Okay, you ready? Hey, Noah. Noah, okay, be careful. You wanted that binky. Okay, can I have that? Thank you. Yay! Okay. Okay. It's your binky. It's your binky. Get down.
He's got it.
Get down the right way. How are you going to get down, huh? How are you going to get down?
Come here. Come here. Come here.
That's what he wants. He's going to use my leg to get down. See, I feel like he's cheating now. Are you cheating? You can't use Mommy to get down.
Why don't you eat on the ground then?
Okay. Let me get down. No, you're not. No, I'm not helping you down. You can get down on your own. Come on. Come on. Get down. Get down. I got your binky. Get down. Get down the right way. Not head first. Yeah. Get down the right way. Come on. Noah. Hi.
There he goes. He's going down the wrong way.
You're just going to kick it. I think that's what he's depending on, is me catching him. Oh. Get down the right way. Grant you, he's only 8 months old.
He's usually up and down.
Mm-hmm. He's tired. He almost fell asleep in the other room. Here he goes.
Almost.
Get down. Come on. That's nasty, Justin. You're so
Don't blame it on
gross.
me.
Oh my goodness. That's a sound only you could make. Hi.
He's trying something new.
Oh, he's going down forward. Yay! Yay! He went down the other way this time. Okay, now let's do it better this time. Come here. Hey, come on. Noah, can you do it one more time? Noah, come on. Get back up here. Come on. Ready? Get up there. Get up there this time. Look, Noah. Noah. Look. Get your face.
He's cheating.
He is cheating. You're a cheater. That's not fair. Okay, go get it. Go get it. We'll make him work. He's doing baby aerobics. Yay! Yay! Okay, now it's my turn. Now it's mine. Come get it. Up, up, you fell down. Come get it.
The camera will clearly show that you pushed him.
Oh, yeah. Go get it. Come on.
Come here, baby.
He's chillaxing right now. Come on. Look, I can get him to come down with the hat. Hey. Woo, woo, woo. Come on, get down.
Going down the wrong way.
No. Let's try something else. Please don't hurt yourself.
There he goes.
Come on. Get down. If we go in the other room, he would. But we, of course, not to leave him. But come on, get down. Get down like you normally do. Come on.
There he goes.
Come on. No, he wants. Dolly, come on. Come on. Yay! There you go. You did it 2 times. Yay! Good job, Noah. Here, that is well deserved. Mama looks silly. Come here. Oh, mwah. Yeah, I do look silly, don't I?